Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my channel, we talk all methods that help you to make money online. So if you're looking for videos on how to make money from the comfort of your home, you're onto the right channel. Are you ready to learn how to make big money online off Google News? I'm talking about earning up to $1,400 every single day, even if you're a complete beginner without prior experience. There are many various methods, strategies, and actionable of monetizing Google News platform. This video is only for beginners, and we will guide you tips and secrets to earn up to $1,400 without any prior experience. Only you need to do is copy and paste some text, and that is it. I'll also reveal two other websites. One of them pays up to $2 for each word you write and accepts articles on various topics, an astonishing apparatus that can assist you with doing the entire cycle in less than 5 minutes in only 3 straightforward moves toward the considerably more cash flow. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of make money online. Step 1. The first step is to head over to Google and Google News. Search Google News. Click on that first link and you're now on the homepage of Google News. It's like an online newspaper where you can find news on anything and everything under the sun: world news and local news, businesses, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. This is a legit Google website, and you can find all sorts of news on it. Now I know what you might be thinking: how am I going to earn money by just browsing a news site? Let me complete the rest of the steps and you will know the answer yourself. Step 2. Click on the health category. So let's click on that and see what's cooking as we scroll down. We're going to see some seriously fresh news articles about all things health. Now you'll need to find an article that you like on Google News and give it a click, then select it all like this and copy it. But wait, we can't just copy it and use it. As it is, we need to make sure we don't get in trouble for plagiarism. That's where the third step. Step 3. To rewrite the content. To avoid copyright, another person's content. So I'm going to show you a website where you're going to rewrite this article and make it absolutely yours. This website called Spinboards. Paste the text from the article you found into the website and click basic spin button. Wait for a couple of seconds. Here's where the magic happens. Spinbot takes the article you just copied and pasted and rewrites it in your own words. That's right, you'll have a completely new article with the same topic as the original one you found on Google News. May need to give the article a check before using it. Then you want to copy this article and save it somewhere safe, because we're going to be selling it to a couple of websites that are going to pay us big bucks for our words. Once you've got this article safely saved, we're going to get to work on making some real money. Just stick with me and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Step 4. The first website we're going to be talking about today is eatingwell.com. This is where things get exciting because they're going to pay you $1 per word that you write. But don't worry, you won't have to do any of the hard work yourself. You can easily write articles using Google News and Spinbot without any copyright issues. To actually get paid for your article, you'll need to grab the email address listed on the website and send them an email with the subject line "Content Submission." In the email, just tell them that you have an article you want to submit and you're excited to hear back from them to make it even more professional. I will give you a template to use after. Don't just copy and paste to use after that. Just copy and paste your article into the email and hit send. If they'd like your article, they'll reply and ask for your payment details. The second site is a popular science site, similar to the topic of healthy eating, but with a faster submission process. All you have to do is send a request, and after they respond, you can submit the entire article. So we can see your email address on this site. You can submit your request and send your contact details to this email address. I will share this template with you so that you can use them to submit articles to popular science. You need to focus on technology-related topics. You come back to Google News and you want to dig into technology and find something that catches your eye. For example, select this article, paste it into Spinbot, and rewrite it with your own text and style if desired. This will help you create an original and attractive article to submit to popular science sites, and you don't have to worry about copyright issues. Everything we do here is completely legal as long as you are writing in your own words and making it unique. The last website we discuss is inart.org. If you want to know how to submit an article to them, just visit their website and check out the submission process. The cool part, they pay $2 more per word than the other sites we talked about, and accept articles on a wide range of topics, including health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. You can now submit articles to all three sites. However, make sure you submit different articles to each site because they won't accept the same content twice. And even if they only accept one article a day, you can still make hundreds of dollars a day. Of course, not every item you submit will be accepted, as there may already be similar items on their website. But don't worry, you can now do so for free and receive payment directly to your PayPal or bank account. There's no need to sell anything or have any affiliate marketing experience. It's just copy and paste and send an email if you can do that. You can make money from this. In conclusion, as you embark on your journey to make money online in your spare time, remember that the possibilities are limitless. The digital world offers us an incredible opportunity to leverage our skills, passions, and creativity to create a sustainable income stream right from the comfort of our own homes. Remember, your spare time is valuable. Instead of simply scrolling through social media or watching endless videos, use that time to invest in yourself and your future. Take small steps every day towards your online money-making goals, and over time, you'll witness the remarkable transformation that can occur. Remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Make the most of your spare time and let it become a launching pad for a brighter, more prosperous future. Start today and let your online endeavors become the stepping stones to a life of freedom, flexibility, and unlimited potential. I hope you got value from this. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. I am rooting for you. If you have questions, do what to ask in the comments section, and I will be there to respond to your questions. See you in my next video.